zitten hier in Ron Gastrobar.
We're sitting here in Ron Gastrobar in Amsterdam. We'd like our clientele to include everyone. We want to be a restaurant that appeals to everybody. It used to be more elitist, even having 2 Michelin stars. But at a certain point, I wanted to take a big step back and make the restaurant accessible to everyone. Tasty food with a good price-quality ratio.
Een goede prijs-kwaliteit. We hebben bewust voor markilux gekozen.
We made a conscious decision to go for markilux, as we had done a lot of research all around the Netherlands and had asked ourselves, what is the best for us? We looked at what our competitors were using and arrived at markilux. The option suited perfectly our idea of what a terrace should look like that is to be used all year round. And also my concept of how a large terrace in Amsterdam should be, where, when it is a little less warm, it is still possible to eat in peace in a pleasant, warm and relaxed atmosphere.
Waar ik veel waarde aan hecht.
What I hold great store by is that it is a typical Ron Gastrobar terrace, one with lots of little extras and surprises, which offer the guest additional comfort, and where the guests feel at home without it appearing pompous or expensive. The collaboration with markilux came about through Gerco from the company Groenrank. He was the one with the ideas, and he presented us with a concept of what options were available, and this led to the excellent working relationship between us.
Een perfecte samenwerking geworden. We zien absoluut dat mensen...
It is patently clear to us that our guests are staying longer since we have the awnings. Even when the weather is less clement and the temperature drops almost a little too much, it is still possible to find a relaxing spot on our terrace by virtue of the awnings and heaters. I am also very pleased about the way markilux and Groenrank have cooperated with one another. I think we have created something special here, of which we can be very proud and which will lead to us acquiring a lot more new customers.